Hello YouTube. In this video, and I'm warning you, this video is for beginners only, so please take that into consideration. Removing your Xvs650 seat. So to remove this Xvs650 seat, I am going to show you how it's done. It's easier than polishing a bald man's head, and stick around to the end. So first of all, we need a 10mm. There's a 10mm nut on that right there, as you can see. We're going to remove that 10mm nut first to get rid of this back seat. So that just slides off and back, and it's off, as you can see right there. It has two Allen key bolts. Two Allen key bolts that go straight into there. As you can see, the Allen key bolts are going to come off, and this seat just slides right off. Once we remove these Allen keys, there's two of them, Allen key bolts, and then we are ready to rock and roll with no seat. Might be a bit rough without a seat on your tush, but that's all good. And this is the bracket that holds your seat. As you can see, it's a bracket. The back seat clinks into here, and it holds your seat all in one place, so it doesn't fly anywhere and you don't fly off it. And then this seat here, you just lift up the back end and it clinks off and it slides out of there. As you can see underneath, it's got a little spot here that slides into this little metal frame, and the back end goes onto these two little ports here, and that's where it gets bolted down to. So my friends, seats off, and you now know how to take a Xvs650 seat off the bike, and you don't need to thank me, I know. All good. Please stay tuned for the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it, leave a comment if you like. As I said, you've been buzzed by the fuzz. Adios.